Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be setting up a Linux system on a virtual machine to replicate a setup I helped a client. The hardware we were working with, it's almost a 20 years old laptop, 32-bit laptop. So in today's video, I'll walk you through how I set up a virtual machine that mirrors the exact environment I configured for my client's laptop. Okay, let's start. So first I want to show which Linux we decided. So for his laptop, we chose to use Lubuntu, this one. I know it's old one, there is newer version of Lubuntu, but this is the version that is best for his laptop because it's almost 20 years old laptop. So this is the one what we chose to install on his laptop, 32-bit image. I already downloaded this one. So let's just proceed with installation. I'm gonna install it on Virtual Machine Manager in Debian. So let's click here. Gonna open new VM, create a new virtual machine, local install media, ISO image. Let's go forward, choose ISO, download, just a second. Okay, that's this one, Lubuntu 18.04.5 desktop ISO. Choose volume because it's not gonna automatically detect what is the installation media. We're gonna check this one and we're gonna just type any Linux like this, generic Linux. Okay, forward. This is approximately his specs of laptop, so I will not change anything. Let's go forward. I will create, let's say, 25 gigs of memory. Name it. I will click Customize Configuration before install. Because I need to replicate 32-bit system, I need to change some things. Also, I need to change my network because I have multiple networks here on the system. Let's go finish. Okay, great. So let's comment testing description. And this is the one I need to change, chipset, because it's old laptop. I need to change it to i440VX and leave it as a BIOS. That's one step. Boot option. Let's click this and let's change order of boot for first time installation. And as well here I need to change these ones to be able to work. Just a second, I have here written somewhere already prepared. Okay, let's apply. Okay, so let's go back to details and let's start begin installation. Okay, great. So this is Let's stop for a moment at this stage of installation and explain some things. At the end, I downloaded new ISO file from alternate install image for 32-bit PC because the install image that I previously downloaded was constantly failing and every download of the same ISO file failed because I was getting constantly corrupt file. So this installation will continue with alternate install image. It's gonna be a little different, but at the end it's just follow the what prompts says on the screen. It doesn't matter which installation media you have, as long it's working and installing. It just matter that you see what is asked you to do, and yes or no, just continue at the end of the installation. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. What we had on his laptop, we're gonna choose English language. We're gonna choose install Lubuntu. From this moment on, you can just follow up the prompts on the screen until end of the installation. And we have the system up and running. Enter. Great. Okay. This is the system that we already set up. Okay, we will not cancel. So we can go to Start menu, System Tools, Terminal. Okay, and we want to change our user to root so we can update and upgrade. So sudo /i, enter. Oh, typo error, sorry. So sudo /i. Okay, and then we need to enter the password. Okay, now we are root user. Okay, let's update and double I apt full upgrade /yes, enter. Let's clear this. Okay, so the user wants to install Zoom. So let's just go to where is internet? Okay, internet. I already searched for everything because it's hard to find 32-bit apps. So I find 32-bit app for Zoom to install here on Lubuntu. Ask Ubuntu.com questions. 32-bit version of Zoom for Ubuntu. So there is this answer. It states that have 32-bit Zoom version, and when you click on it, it's gonna pop out window. It's gonna usually be like this, open with, just change it to save file, so you can save it on your computer. Press OK. I already previously downloaded, so I will not do that again. So that's here, zoom, as you can see it, zoom version .dib. So as you can see it, zoom.deb. Okay, to install this one, to install, you should do like some steps. You should check where are you currently in terminal. So just type pwd, enter. It's gonna show you where are you now. Because we are a root, we are at root level. So let's just go to cd / home / enter. Let's ls list everything. Okay, the only user here is Lubuntu. So let's just go again, cd and Lubuntu, and then / to enter. Okay, let's list again ls. So when we list everything what we have in that home Lubuntu, we need this one, downloads. So we need to navigate to downloads, cd, and then just write and /. So it must be the same. So here is capital letter D, here must be capital letter D also as well. So press enter. Okay, now we are in downloads directory. We can check that with pwd, enter. As you can see, we are at home, Lubuntu, downloads. And we have file when we list ls, gonna be the file that we need. So now we need to install this one. So let's install with apt install dot / and the name of the file, zoom.deb file. So it must have this dot to say it's in the same file folder. Okay, so when we press enter, it's gonna install it. But because I already previously installed it, so it's a zoom, it's already the newer version because I previously tested. So to start the zoom, you can just type zoom and press enter, and it's gonna open Zoom cloud meeting. You can join a meeting, or you can sign in, where you can enter your email address, your password, or you can go with Google or with Facebook. I hope this video helped you to see how to install Zoom. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. All the best. Bye bye.